Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Blackboard. Today we are learning how to work with backgrounds on pages inside your Blackboard document. To work with the background, you come to this button here. You hover on it and you see a message that says change the page background, and that's exactly what this button does. It helps you manipulate backgrounds inside your Blackboard document. So click on it. Another box is shown that has buttons that do different things. Let's go over all these buttons. The first one allows you to change the background of the current page, the color of the background. The second one, it allows you to add a grade to your background. The third, it's a series of lines. And the fourth one is for adding an image as a background. And the last one is for removing the image that might be on the document as a background. So to work with the first one, let's click on it. And it allows us to choose a color that would be our background color. So if we choose white, in this case, click OK, we have a white background. And we can keep doing things the same way we've always been doing them. You can change the background again. Okay, let's change it to something like this blue here. This is not good, is it? So the experience has told us that it's better to use darker backgrounds in the classroom because it's easier on the eyes for the students or your audience. So keep that in mind. For this case, we're going to choose this darker blue, and you can see that it's better. That's all there really is to changing the background color. Another thing you can add to your background is a grid. If you click on this button here, you see that we have a grid. Get rid of that grid by clicking again. Click again to bring the grid. Click again to get rid of it. The same applies to this button that brings you the lines. Now we're going to add a background image to our document. Let's add another page for that. Click on the button here and choose the location for the image that you want to be your background. In my case, it's this image here, and I click and the image is in my document. Let's close the Nago so you can see the image entirely, and you can see that we have an image that we can work on. We can keep writing stuff. It really is there. To get rid of the image, bring back this background control box, click on this button, and your background is gone. Another thing that you might have noticed is that if we add a page, the pages are coming out white, and it's different from what we had before here. So this is because our default background color is set to white, and you need to know how to change the default background color. You change it by coming to this button here. If you hover over it, it says preferences. This is your settings. You click on it and the box is shown, and right here is where you change your background color. You can see that now it's set to white. I can change it and set it to something like this color. I like it. Right now you see that nothing changed, but if you come and click on this button to add a new page, it comes in our selected color. And this concludes our tutorial on working with backgrounds inside Blackboard. I hope this has been informative to you guys, and I'll see you in the next videos.